Heyo everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. So, we've got Antiope up here who has climbed up the jungle gym and is balancing herself on the window ledge. It's not much space as you can see, but with her skills she is managing it just fine, and I am also here ready to catch her, and there's a bed below me. So yeah, she's good and safe up there, no worries. Antiope's climbing skills have always just amazed me. And this right here is why I truly believe we need to allow our snakes to come out and do what they are built to do. Because retics are and always have been fantastic climbers. They're just as good of climbers as they are hunters. They can maneuver the trees just as well as they can maneuver the ground. So I think it's important to allow them the opportunities to exercise those natural abilities. It keeps them strong, keeps them mentally engaged, and I think it's just super important. So this is just a fine example of why I do let my snakes out to roam, and I let them out to do their thing, because they can do stuff like this. They can exercise those skills. So yeah, this is Antiope doing her morning roam, and this is TWR. Get ready to check out. I'm gonna let her go a little bit longer and then put her away for the day. You guys love yourselves. Take care of your reptiles. Take care of yourselves. And you keep spreading those herbs.